We're going to start with David Shing says the term native advertising is rubbish. What would you call it instead?
The term native advertising has indeed been rubbish because nobody knows what it means. It's been up to now a completely undefined term, and undefined terms are useless at best and dangerous at worst.
Okay, so then for digital marketing terms for dummies, your best guess, your best description as of today, what is native advertising?
Okay, I'm not reading off a piece of paper because you know the real definition is by the book, or in my case the PDF, but I define native advertising as a combination of two forms of media: owned, which is content, and paid, which is advertising. But there's one other element to that, and that is the native part. So native advertising has to be native to the platform. On Twitter, it's a tweet, because you can only have a tweet on Twitter. On Facebook, it might be a wall post, for example. On Instagram, an Instagram photograph. And for publisher sites, it has to have the look and the feel and the voice and the tone of the editorial and of that publication.
But
so on
from
BuzzFeed, it might be a listicle. You know, differentiating native from advertorial branded content, sponsored content, starts to be a little splitting hairs. I think native advertising is a term that was actually first used by Fred Wilson, the VC, who is behind Twitter and Foursquare and a bunch of social platforms where native is perhaps more native than it is on publisher sites because it's really less portable. A tweet is only on Twitter, and so that's really super native.